I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin on towel damp hair, about 70–80% dry. This helps product distribute without weighing curls down. Take 1–2 pumps for short hair or 3–4 for shoulder length and warm the conditioner between your palms. Once done, work through one section at a time, raking product finger-wide from roots to ends to define curls. Make sure to avoid heavy application at the scalp. Apply more toward mid-lengths and ends to prevent buildup and frizz. Next, you refine curl formation by raking and then scrunching each section. This encourages clumps and bounce. If tangles persist, use a wide tooth comb gently, never a brush, because brushes break curl pattern. For extra definition, apply a pea to nickel size amount where needed and smooth down cuticle with your palms. This locks moisture and reduces frizz. Once done with all sections, you can add a light gel or cream if you want hold versus maximum softness. Finish by drying. You can air dry for the softest results or diffuse on low heat while cupping curls to build volume. Make sure to leave hair undisturbed until fully dry to preserve shape and reduce frizz. If you notice heaviness or oiliness, scale back. Dilute the dose by about 25% next time or restrict application to mid-lengths and ends. If frizz appears after drying, mist with water and re-scrunch a small amount to reactivate the conditioner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.